Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. I had to drive the vehicle. Um, you can see outside the bus stop is not too far from where I was recording. So two people, they came to me asking for help. They said the bus they missed the bus. Looks like the bus didn't even ride today. So they asked me if I can drop one guy work at McDonald's, and then the other lady, the old lady, she works at Tim Hortons. They asked me if I can drop them. They say they are cold and the bus didn't show up. So I had to drive the vehicle. I didn't finish the video. But I noticed that I drove over there and then the light went away. The light that said tire pressure motor required, service required, went away. So I think I got this. And then the pressure was showing really low on tire number one, but when I drove it, now it's 34 and the other one they're like 37. So I think we got this. I'm gonna try to post this in two-part video because, like you know, I'm away from home, so I won't be able to edit the video. So I'm just gonna plug in the X-Tool based scanner just to see if we were able to do this ID registration with X-Tool. I'll be back. I have the X-Tool connected now. Let's launch the software. I did before. It looks like you're not able to do the ID registration with this. Just want to show you. So the software looks like this. Auto scan. Identify the vehicle. Auto scan. This is gonna take a long time. I'll pause the video and come back. So the scanning is done, and remember what I was saying about the diag zone. This one, you see, is this module keyless operating system, blah blah blah, entire pressure monitoring. So all of that is one module. Right now it's showing 8 fault. The fault in the OCM, and I know what it is, and maybe I will make another video about it later. Let's go into this module. So let's read DTC. So you can see it has the tire pressure low because I have to lower the tire, and then the ID, those were the first that was in here. But you can see all of them are store code, so I can clear them later. So what we wanted to see if this scanner was able to do it. So something missing here. So you don't have, you have actuation test. What can you actuate in? It's just the buzzer. So you cannot use this, I think this is A30. This is X-Tool A30. There is a A30M, maybe that one you can use to do ID registration. Oh, let me go back to the main menu. Maybe we have something over there. Let me go back to the main menu. We go special function. It has a TPMS reset. Let's go to Dinos for TPMS Japan. See what it says. Asia, Mitsubishi, the OUTLANDer. Now Okay, so maybe you can use this to do that. Information, OEM sensor information. Okay, it's useful. Diagnostic. Please turn on the vehicle ignition switch and connect the device to the vehicle. OBD, that's done. Let's see what it says about this. Okay, so it's showing it's just showing me the ID. I think those are the ID for the new one that I just installed. Front left, front right. Oh, this one is really precise, so it knows exactly which sensor it's in which wheel. Yeah, maybe I was wrong. Maybe you can use this one to do the, I don't know what relearn will do. I don't want to mess around with that, right? So you can maybe relearn it. Maybe when you go to relearn, maybe it will give you, it will tell you to drop the pressure, and then it will read each ID. So maybe I was wrong. Maybe you can use this X-Tool A30 to do that job. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna connect the Autel AP200, and then we'll see what that one can do. So for the Autel, you cannot rotate the display, so it has to be facing this way. So for the Autel, I have to purchase the MITSUBISHI software. So let's load it and see. Okay, VCI is not connected, please. Okay, let's see. Scanning, connected, yeah. So I'm gonna try, let's do auto selection, and then read VIN. So identify the vehicle properly. Yes. And I can do auto scan. Let me go control unit. Then is display all the control unit. Again, this one, the KOS, EMO, keyless, and TPMS, they are in the same module on this one. Compared to the diag zone, where it showed the TPMS in a different module. So let's go in here and see what we see. Let's read code. Yeah, it has those code, but they are all store code. Now I don't know. You can see live data, but there's no like special function, so I don't think so you can use this Autel to do the ID registration. But let's go to the main page. Yeah, I don't think so. This one doesn't have any special function, so I don't think so you can. Okay. So yeah, I don't think so you can use this, but maybe it's possible, maybe I don't just know. Let me go in the main menu here. Yeah, this is the only, oh, okay, let's try this. So, okay, let's go to service. Oh yeah, it has a TPMS. Okay, TPMS. Oh. So it looks like that's something you can buy. You can go to mall and buy it and add to that. So the AP200 maybe can do it, but you need to maybe purchase something else. Okay, I'll pause the video, connect the last one. That's the Foxwell. and we'll see. I'm pretty sure the Volkswagen will be able to do that. I'll be back. So the Volkswagen is a standalone, so it's not a dongle where I plug it and use the tablet. Let's turn it on. I hope it's charged. So it's a standalone diagnostic tool. Right now is minus 17. Yeah, still really cold. Sorry for the glare, sorry for the noise. I have to keep the car running because it's super cold. I still have to go out and okay, now it's on. Let's see, agree. So for this Volkswagen, I have to purchase the MITSUBISHI software. I did another review on it, so you are interested in it, you can check that video. Let's go to diagnostic. Go choose MITSUBISHI. Smart VIN. So identify the vehicle is pretty fast. Diagnosis. Quick scan. I'm not gonna go to quick scan because it's gonna go through all the module. Let's just go to control module. So we just display all the module. So we're gonna go to fast, emo, killer, TPMS, all same module, but only dark zone shows that differently. So it shows the TPM is like a different module. So let's go in here. So you have issue information, read codes, clear code, live data, active test, and special function. And you have tire pressure sensor ID registration. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought this one is able to do that. Tire pressure sensor ID check. Change password. Oh, look at that. The dark zone doesn't have that. I don't know what password is talking about. Key fast key registration, steering wheel lock unit registration, comment test. Yeah, this one has a lot of function. Yeah, so we can do tire pressure. Yeah, the manual was saying to choose a 4 tire ID registration, change tire. Do you want us to? So this scanner can do it. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here because it's pretty long. It's gonna be in 2 parts video because I'm away. I cannot edit and make it on the 1 part. So I have to stop the video to go help somebody. Yeah, I learned a lot about this. I just wanted to know how TPMS works, because a lot of shop, even when I called the junkyard to ask if they have TPMS over there, they told me buy new one, don't waste your time because it's a headache. And then I say, yeah, it's okay, I just want to try it. Yeah, they say, okay, you're gonna buy a sensor here, $5 on cash, and then you cannot return. They say, yeah, I'm okay with that. So I bought 5 sensors from them. They charged me $20. Yeah, and all of them works. Why I bought 4 sensors? I just needed one. That one tire that didn't come with a sensor. But when I bought the valve stem from Rock Auto, I got the wrong one. I got the wrong valve stem. I couldn't hook the sensor to it. So I bought 5 from the junkyard, and then I used the valve stem and the other parts that came with the wrong valve stem, like a washer, gasket, and so on. And then I combine all of that, and I make it work, so that sensor work properly. So yeah, I just wanted to see if I was able to do this without a TPMS tool, right? And you see you can do it. So something else I learned about is all the TPMS tool that you see out there, they can just program their own sensor. The OEM one, I think only the OEM can program it. I mean, what I learned is any TPMS, like this Mitsubishi, when I was at the junkyard, they gave me a bin with a full of TPMS sensor. I noticed that Chrysler, not all, Chrysler and Nissan, they have the same climb in. They call it climb in TPMS. They all have the same. And what I learned is when the wheel starts spinning, it's going to wake up the sensor, and then it will transmit the signal, and then your wireless control module will pick it up. That's exactly what happened with this. And then once in a while, my battery is low. Once in a while, it's going to check the ID. So I went out from the tire shop, I didn't have any code, and then the next day, I think it did check the ID for each sensor. It saw that it doesn't match what it was in the wireless module. And then it gave me the code. So you can just use a capable scanner and write the new ID code in the wireless control module, and then go drive it, and it will pick it up. Now, I don't know what will happen next year when I change the tire. So I might make another video next year just to update what happened when I put the tire with the old TPMS. I guess I'm gonna have to do this again, but that will be next year. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I know it's been a long time I haven't posted a video, but just busy doing that and this and that. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a good end of the year and Happy New Year.